Hi there and welcome to the UkeStuff channel and welcome to another unboxing video. Now, I understand some people don't like unboxing videos. That's why I make them explicitly clear that they are unboxing videos so that if you don't like them, just skip them. But for people that do like them, it's a chance to see what's coming on this channel and also to see someone's first interactions with an instrument. And that sometimes tells you some things about how somebody initially reacts and then sometimes how that changes over time by the time that they do a full review. So this is a horse ukulele. Now I have reviewed a horse ukulele before and I was pretty impressed by it. It was a really nice build and this is another version of that instrument. So the first one is made out of laminate mahogany. This one is made out of laminate sapele. So they're wood species that are similar. Again, both are laminate, but this one has a couple other features that I'm excited to see about, such as a radius fretboard. So let's get into the unboxing and take a look at it. Again, from Amazon. Let's see here. There we go. And let's get the other side here. All right. So here we go. Inside, we have the horse ukulele box. And one of the things that I appreciated about the horse ukulele is that its branding is cool, it's thematic, but it also doesn't go overboard. And by the way, just so you know, I was told this, that horse is a part of camise and it is a part of Acklot. They're all connected. They're not the same companies necessarily or same branches, but they're different companies under the same umbrella as a whole. So let's take a look and see what it looks like. All right. So here's the kit. We'll take a look at the kit in a moment. And here is the ukulele. And it looks to be the same exact gig bag, which is not a bad thing at all. So let's start off by looking at the kit of things that comes with it. All right, here we go. And I'll try to keep all these separate. So the first thing you get is an ukulele strap. It's kind of a tan-ish look or a grayish look. I'm looking to see if it has a, there we go. Yeah, I know those crinkly wrappers sound so good on their videos, but so you have two strap ends, and it tells you that the ukulele you're going to get is probably got straps. Now, taking a look at some more things in here. Not totally sure what this is. I'm going to have to take a look at that. Some kind of leather strap or something. Not quite sure. Then, extra Aquila Super Now Got strings. And then to wrap it up, you get a tuner, and it's a Joyo tuner. All right, let's take a look at the ukulele itself. The bag is basically the same bag as, again, the other horse ukulele. It's got the logo, and it's just screened on. It's not embroidered. Doesn't need to be screened on. Again, nothing in the pocket. Oh, kind of a nice velvety lining in the pocket. That's kind of surprising. Then you have kind of a nylon, shiny nylon interior, and padding is probably about 5 millimeters or so. You get two back strap buttons, or two back straps, not buttons, but two back straps. You do not have a hanging loop on the back, and you don't have anything on the bottom. And the zipper mainly opens most of the way. It does stop a little bit short of being able to open it up 180 degrees. So we'll put the gig bag aside and take a look at the instrument. Here we go. There's your horse logo. It's engraved on the top. Sliding down. It has Aquila strings. For some reason, I think the other one had other strings on it, but we can check that in a second. And there's the body. And it's a laminate sapele, and it doesn't have any etching or anything like that. And in fact, this one doesn't even show the horse on the fretboard. The other one showed the horse at the 12th. So, and it does have side position markers, and they are at 5, 7, 10, 12, and it looks like 15 and 17 all the way down. Looks like a slight curve to the back. Got a strap button there, and a strap button there. All right, so let's tune it up. Take a look at it. Yeah, not quite in tune, and that's okay. These are Aquila strings, and they usually stretch a little bit before they settle. They don't take forever to stretch. A little bit of fur-elise. All right, now, before I end this unboxing, let's just take a look at the other horse and compare it, since I have it out. And I can do a full review or comparison between these two after the full review of the other horse. But let's take a look. This one, yeah, I thought so. The Dario strings on there, titanium. You can see the horse at the 12th. You can see the really mild rosette. And let's see if this one's tuned up. Not yet. All right. All right, that is the original horse, the mahogany, laminate mahogany. Also has that little different headstock. This horse, oh, that one also has, again, it looks like it's an inlay of the horse logo. This one has a laser etched logo and kind of is more plain looking. Actually ends up looking bigger. I don't think that's probably true, but just the body shape with the way that it doesn't have the rosette makes it actually look bigger. Yeah, right off the bat, it's darker than the other one, but it also doesn't have the D'Addario titanium strings on. So something like a fluorocarbon could bring out some more high end of it. So that's not a reason to be positive or negative, just stating what it is. So there you have it. This is the newer horse Sapele, laminate Sapele ukulele that's available on Amazon. You can find it from Lot Music. That's who carries it. It's a really attractive yet kind of plain ukulele, but looks like it could be another good starter. No sharp fret ends so far. Watch for the full review of this coming up probably in just over a week. Thanks for watching the channel. I hope you're having a great day, and I will be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.